Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. This is for the consultants, the agency owners, the people who sell their knowledge, their expertise, their skills, their talent for a living, and want to scale their business. Because the problem is when you're selling knowledge or expertise, generally you are the business, which means that this business model is notoriously difficult to scale. But if you do want to scale that type of business, there are 3 things that you're going to need to get right. And these 3 things are going to be very familiar to you because chances are you're doing the opposite. All right, number 1, you need to fix your offers. Most people do not have frictionless offers. What they have is they have a new offer or a new proposal for every different business that enters their world, which means that somebody books a meeting, you have that conversation, they say what they want or what they need, then you go away and you put together a proposal, and then you bring it back to the client, and more often than not, you never hear from them ever again. And that is because you don't have frictionless offers, you have bespoke offers, offering something different to everyone based on their needs and expectations. Now, if you want to start offering frictionless offers, the main thing to get right is to double down on what it is that you do and double down on the audience that you serve. So for example, we had a woman come into our world. She was a marketing consultant, a generalist marketing consultant doing something for everyone. Sarah Johnson was her name. And we went, what clients do you like working with the most? She said, wineries. Okay, what do wineries need from you? They want to sell more wine online and at the cellar door. She went from being a generalist marketer selling something for everyone, and not all clients were created equal, some were pains in her backside, to serving wineries, helping them sell more wine online. And she increased her rates 5-fold. She doubled down on what she did and who she does it for. She was able to put together a consistent offer and send it out to anyone that was interested, which all became wineries. Frictionless offers. Number 2, predictable lead flow. Where do your clients come from? Do you know where your clients come from? Mostly referrals, word of mouth, randoms that you've met at networking events. If you're a consultant or an agency owner, if you sell knowledge or expertise, this is the way it works most of the time. But when you have predictable lead flow, leads coming into your business, inbound leads predictably, every day, every week, every month, throughout the year, you don't have to go chasing. And the reality is that most knowledge professionals are caught in this endless cycle of hunt, pitch, deliver. They hunt for work, they pitch for work, they deliver the work. They hunt for work, they pitch for the work, they deliver the work like hamsters in a wheel, going round, 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 round. If you want to fix that, you need predictable lead flow. There are only 6 ways to get leads. If you're interested, ask me, leave a comment. What are the 6 ways? Or maybe you can check out some tactics that we reveal in the link in my bio. Hit the link in my bio. All right, frictionless offers, not bespoke ones. Predictable lead flow. Number 3, low touch delivery, or indeed sometimes zero touch delivery. How do you do that? That's when you bottle your wisdom, your expertise, you chunk it into steps, and you sell that because you can, because you have target audience clarity. You know what your clients want. They all want the same thing, so you can create a repeatable, systemized, process-driven way to deliver something for your clients that we call first win. That's when they come into your world, they follow the steps, and they get to first win. It's a wonderful thing when you can deliver that consistently, and that's how you scale a knowledge-based business.